Hi everybody. I'm recording this in English because a lot of non-Dutch people are watching this also. Anyhow, you know the model of the edible snail I made. It's the actual life size of this snail. You also know that I am mostly about animal anatomy, so I made an accurate anatomical snail and printed it on my Anycubic Photon Mono X. That one was already huge, as you can see here, because wow. And as you can see, this one has a lot of detail. And I printed it in such a way that it can be printed in one go. I also have the Anycubic Photon N3 Max, and that one can print huge models. So I did the anatomical snail on that one, and this is huge. I mean, huge. As you can see here, wow. This one would be a perfect educational model. Removing the supports cost me about an hour and a half, so that's a lot of time, and printing it took about 24-25 hours. So to buy this would be priceless. I'm not sure what price I can give this one. Anyhow, this is it. And to show you the details a bit better, I have a smaller one I already painted. So, as you can see here, and I think I want to do that with the big one too.